Dock Street Theatre in Charleston was built in 1776 as the first true theater in the United States. It was there for a few years before it burned down, and then it was rebuilt into a hotel in 1809. It has also been a boarding house and used for other things over the years. In 1937, it was rehabbed back into a theater, where it currently holds over 400 people and is home to the Charleston Stage Company and also plays host to many different festivals. The inside of the theater is beautiful with old artwork and architecture, and then the courtyard outside is very nice. Room to sit. There's a little bar out there. In the upstairs part of the balcony section of the theater, they also have a bar area up there and plenty of seating to watch the show or to just hang out and catch up with people you may know. If you're ever in Charleston, feel free to stop by and check out the Dock Street Theatre. It is open daily with free tours.